right, here I've got a vintage MXR noise gate line driver pedal. I was just going to show that it works. There's my amp. I think what it does, it's a noise gate and a line driver. I think you'd probably want to use it on a high gain pedal or something if you got, because you get that noise going on. But if you use a noise gate, it cuts it out and you don't get all that noise. Turn the delay off. I'll turn the gain up to demonstrate a little more. See, with a lot of gain, you get that hiss. But if you use a gate, I guess there's so much hiss, I'll probably have to turn up the threshold. You can just adjust it until it shuts off where you like it. It's a little too much. I used to know all those things. Doesn't sound right. Oh, well, whatever. Then eventually it'll cut it off. There we go. So it's a noise gate. It's not a noise suppressor, which is a little different. So you just set it how you like it. There it goes. I don't really use that much gain, so if I was going to use it, I would just probably put it on the end. I think the line driver part is I'm not totally sure. I've never used this pedal or read much about it, but I think the line driver, you probably put it on the end after your other pedals, and then it kind of gets your signal nice and strong, in case you lose any of it from running through a long line of pedals. Okay, my camera stand kind of sucks. But anyway, it's also got a microphone or an XLR out on it, which you can use as a like a direct box, I guess. I plugged it in, and it doesn't sound bad. You just get the sound from your whatever you plug into it. So if you're plugging some cables, then you could plug it like a mic cable right into the side, and then plug that into your mixer or something. I'll open it up and take some more pictures. It looks really old, vintagey, I guess. And it's got a pretty cool circuit board. Or it's not the circuit board. I don't know what it's like a hand-wired kind of deal in there. It's not like a printed circuit board. I guess it's a circuit board, but it's just not one of the stamped printed ones. So I'll open it up, get the numbers off of it, and find out how old it is. It looks pretty old. I guess old and vintage are kind of the same thing depending on who you talk to. Like your wife might just say that it's old, but we call it vintage.